Black holes. Types of black holes.
How many?
3 types
Of super cool.
black holes.
Here we go. In units of solar masses, yo.
1. Stellar mass.
3 to 100.
2. Intermediate mass.
100 to 100,000.
3. Supermassive mass.
More than 100,000. But how do they form? Okay, get ready to take a trip through space.
Starting with stellar mass, it's a race.
Type 2 supernova.
Type 2 supernova, what's that, you say?
Star runs out of fuel, initiating the iron catastrophe. No more fusion. How's a star able to be?
It's not.
The star fully collapses under the weight of its gravity. A bright flash of light is what we all see. As a star explodes, a black hole to be.
Okay, moving on to the lesser known ways a stellar mass black hole forms in space society. Failed supernova happens when we know a star
Above 40 solar mass
is incapable of shining a bright explosion of supernova glee. It falls straight into a black hole seed.
Next up is fallback supernova. They fall back from a neutron star when you think they're over. If the gas pressure is too high, the neutrons don't want to get closer. The neutron star can't keep its composure. It destabilizes and collapses inwards, forming a black hole, giving us closure.
Black holes, black holes. Types of black holes.
How many?
3 types
Of super cool.
black holes.
Here we go. In units of solar masses, yo.
1. Stellar mass.
3 to 100.
2. Intermediate mass.
100 to 100,000.
3. Supermassive mass.
More than 100,000. Now on to intermediate mass.
100 to 100,000.
First, let's talk about runway formation. Starting from a star-dense region, stars get bigger in their binaries until they get too close to exhibit convergency. Other stars in the vicinity merge and spiral in relentlessly until it's so strong, the force of its gravity, all of a sudden, what do we see? Oh, a black hole.
Next up, what are black hole mergers? There's not 1 but 2 black holes hanging around in their very own Roche lobes. 1 and 1 come together. Now they make 1 black hole daughter.
Here's another theory, something that's unseen.
Something that's unseen? What could it be?
They're direct collapse black holes.
Story time.
Way back when the universe was a youngling, metallicity was near 0. Mass to lose? Nope, 0. Stars got large and never smaller. Could you guess what they made? Black holes. No fancy explosions, none, zip, nada. Light just collapsing under its own strong force of gravity. To make black holes the first ones to be.
Black holes, black holes. Types of black holes.
How many?
3 types
Of super cool.
black hole.
Here we go. In units of solar masses, yo.
1. Stellar mass.
3 to 100.
2. Intermediate mass.
100 to 100,000.
3. Supermassive mass.
More than 100,000. On to the last, supermassive black holes. Can be millions and billions bigger than our sun's anatomy.
Just use Kepler's third law of motion.
And did I mention, they're found at the center of every galaxy. It's safer to say they're inactive galaxies. Thought to have been growing from littler black holes.
Like mentioned above.
Fed like a king from the universe food bowl, straight into an accretion-just tummy. Glowing so bright that it outshines the galaxy. So what's this all mean? 3 types of black holes, some hardly been seen. Time to put it all on scene. Stellar mass black holes form in many different ways, like explosions collapsing in space in a daze. Found a loner with a partner, we hope they all up in our face. If not, they suck us in before we see their face. Intermediate mass black holes have hardly been discovered. Only 1 we know to date, leaving us flustered. Do they merge? Do they make? So many questions leaving heated debate to this date. Supermassive black holes are really quite engaging. How they get there, how long they've been staying. 1 to the 2 to the 3 to the 4, and 1 more, that's 5 billion years the age of the Earth. But J stars had billions of more years since it occurred. 1 more tiny honorable mention. Tiny black holes was us humans trying to make with an invention. Harmless they are, evaporate they do, but they go so quickly we don't know anything about them that is 100% true. Now you know more of our black hole bestie. guessies. Let's do the chorus one last time, makes the information a messy.
Black holes. Types of black holes.
How many?
3 types.
Oh, super cool.
Black holes.
Here we go. In units of solar masses, yo.
1. Stellar mass.
3 to 100.
2. Intermediate mass.
100 to 100,000.
3. Supermassive mass.
More than 100,000.
Black holes. Black holes. Black holes. Black holes. Black holes. Black holes. Black hole. Black hole.
Oh no! We've crossed the event horizon!